I welcome to the chapter Our Earth, Class 9th, Social Studies. This slide presents the overview of the chapter Our Earth. Introduction to our planet Earth, our universe, the Sun and the Earth, Earth as a planetary body, and the evolution of the Earth. Learning objectives. By the end of this session, you will be able to know about the universe, the Sun and the Earth, illustrates how the Earth rotates on its own axis. Introduction. Before entering into the chapter, let us know in the early classes we have learned about different people living in different kinds of lands, the use of forests, soil, water, and minerals of the earth. Do you know how the planet Earth evolved? Do you know how the internal structure of the earth is formed? Do you know what are latitudes and longitudes? Let us know about the evolution of our planet Earth and how it is interconnected. Let us start our learning with the introduction of our planet Earth. Earth is believed to be evolved 400 million years ago. Human beings arrived 1 lakh years ago. In our solar system, our Earth is the third planet. The distance between the Earth and the Sun is about 150 million kilometers. Our planet is a rocky planet with its surface covered with mountains, valleys, plains, and canyons. The Earth's atmosphere is composed of 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and 1% of other gases are there in our atmosphere. But we, the human beings, have been exploiting our planet with improper use of natural resources through the destruction of forests, rivers, hills, and animals, etc. The result of our carelessness led to the many environmental crises like global warming, pollution of air, soil, and water. Let us know some of the important facts about our universe, Sun and the Earth. In the past, for about thousands of years ago, human beings were trying to understand the objects like stars, the sun, the moon, and the planet, and how they are related to us. At the time, the people were under wrong conception that the earth is stationary and all other objects revolve around it. But later, the scientists declared it as a wrong conception and came up with a new understanding that the earth is not in the center of the universe and said it moves around the sun, which rotates on itself. They even pointed out that the stars are actually a part of large groups called galaxies. In the universe, there exist millions of galaxies. According to them, the universe itself started about 13.7 billion years ago with a theory called Big Bang. the universe evolved as a group of galaxies, with each galaxy being formed by many stars, planets, etc. However, the appropriate time taken for these changes is over the millions of years. Nowadays, the human beings are investigating and trying to understand the actual phenomenon of the universe. That's why many spaceships have been sent into the sky by the human beings in order to find out the phenomenon. And thus, in brief, the sun and the earth are part of a universe which moves and changes constantly. Let us come to know in the next session about how the earth acts as a planetary body. Thank you. Thank you very much. Go through once again the part I taught you.